Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to make some salmon bites. I have not done this before, so this is going to be new for me. I've already washed my meat off, and now this isn't a thick piece. So first of all, how rude am I? If this is your first time here, welcome. So you guys, if you've not been following, I am trying to start a new diet plan. So I am on a Mediterranean diet, which is very similar to the Daniel fast with no processed. However, when they say no processed, it's not truly no processed from what I'm seeing. But anywho, you can have fish and you can have chicken, but no red meat, no pork, so they say. Listen, I'm just trying this. My nutritionist has me trying this. So with this, I'm going to use some breadcrumbs. I've got some garlic powder, onion powder. I absolutely love this Greek seasoning on seafood. I've got some Old Bay, and I've got a little lemon pepper. I like a little lemon on my fish. Now this piece of salmon is not very thick at all. It's probably why it was on sale. But anywho, I'm going to try to make bites out of it. So I'm going to try to get the skin off. You see, I'm trying to tilt you a little better. Wait a minute. My knife powder is a little sharper. Let me see if I can find a better knife. Hold on. I need to get my husband to sharpen the knives for me. Like I can't do it. I just like for him to do it. Okay. I was trying to save as much meat as I could. If you've done this before and if there's an easier way, let me know. Child, the skin feel like paper. I think the last salmon I had didn't have the skin on it. But anywho. I guess you're just not going to get all of it. But we're going to do as much as this stuff costs. We're going to try to get as much of it off there as we can. Don't play with my emotions. Okay. So there we go. Thank God it's garbage night, so we'll put that out. Okay, so now I need this one. I'm going to use. I'm getting my cutting board, but I don't want the salmon on my board. I don't. So we're just going to put it on this paper. This is parchment paper. And then we're just going to cut this into pieces. They're bite-sized pizzas. I'm gonna leave that like that. like this too. So on this Mediterranean diet, as I said, it's very similar to the Daniel diet, but you can have, you can have eggs. I haven't investigated all the way, but I know a lot of things that they say you can have is really processed. No, but anyway, I'm attempting, because as we get older, and it's so funny to hear myself say, we need to try to do better with our eating habits. Now my thing is, I am a junk food junkie. I always have been. And what I noticed, you guys, because my mom, as she got older, she was never a sweets person. She would bake and make all kind of stuff. She was a fabulous cook, by the way. But she really didn't eat the sweets until she got older. When she got older, honey, she was turning up some sweets. So it must be something that happens with the taste buds as we get older. I don't know. Maybe they tasted better. So I know for me it's going to be something. So let me get rid of this. So here's a Salmon. And I'm going to let it, I got some olive oil. And we're going to season this up a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I just put my olive oil on there, and we're going to put our seasonings on. This is lemon pepper. I want just a little bit, and you guys know what my little bit is. Anywho, onion powder, garlic powder, my Greek seasoning, and some Old Bay. I'm gonna put all that in there. I'm gonna just mix this up. Let everything get a little piece of something on it. I feel like it needs a little bit more oil, just a little. So let me know if you guys are trying to, each year we all say we're going to do better with our diets and everything. But let me know if you're doing, trying to be a little healthier. Another thing that's going to be hard for me, you guys, I am a carbohydrate junkie. Basically, I love the crap out of pasta. I don't care how you cook pasta. Well, let me say this. I haven't had it yet that I did not like. I can eat pasta with just butter, salt, and pepper. I love pasta. I think I was Italian in another life. But anywho, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some wrap over this, and I'm going to let it marinate for about 20-25 minutes in the refrigerator. Then I'll bring it back out and we'll finish cooking. Okay, you guys, while that is marinating, I thought I'd go ahead and make some bang bang sauce, which I got a recipe off of my Alexa. If you have the Alexa, the one with the screen, she gives you recipe, she gives you substitute for things. She's just fabulous. So it said a half a cup of mayonnaise, and this is Duke's mayonnaise. Now I might be And listen, guys, don't tell nobody. How about I've never had bang bang sauce? As much as I've heard about it, I've never had it. So this is going to be new for me. Okay, so I really want all that. Next, it is. Let's see. Let me ask her real quick. Okay, so it says 2 tablespoons of Thai chili sauce and then a tablespoon of sriracha. Well, I've got the Thai sriracha chili sauce. So we're just going to do 3 of these. I've never had this either. Oh, this got a little. Oh, baby, it's got a kick. So then it says 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Oh, girl, I had a kick. So now we're just going to mix this all together. Is that what it tastes like? Why do I feel like it needs something? I'm gonna leave it alone. It still has a kick. Okay, so we're gonna cover this up. Put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the refrigerator, and I see you guys when we're ready to air fry, because if I didn't say, I'm air frying. See you in a few. Okay, you guys, so I looked at another recipe, and so I have this this sweet chili sauce that I'm going to put in there. I'm eyeballing it because it needs a little something. I'm going to stir this up. It also says salt and pepper, but I don't think so. Let me see. No, I don't think it needs salt. Nah. Okay. So to the refrigerator we go. Guys, so it has been longer. I said I was going to let that marinate for 25 minutes. Child, it's been an hour. So we are going to... I've decided that I'm not going to use the breadcrumbs because, for one, for me, the air fryer makes things crispy. So I really don't feel the need for the breadcrumbs. So we are just going to... I don't think I need any more oil either, but we'll see. We're just going to line these. I got my parchment paper. I also punched holes in it, because normally I don't use anything at the bottom. But listen, I was being lazy today. And see, I was going to use my Wave Nouveau because I can get more in there in the Wave Nouveau, but it's more of a hassle to try to clean. So, dang, I'm gonna have to slap all these in there. Let's try it. Nothing beats a failure but a try. So I really feel like it needed more room, but I don't care. So, because these are not very thick, let me see what my machine says here. Power on. I think I'm gonna try. Oh. No. I'm gonna try 10 minutes first, and I'll be back. Maybe I ought to do 7. Nah, we're gonna leave it on 10. See you in a minute. Okay, you guys, this is what it's looking like after about 15 minutes. I really don't want to cook it any longer because I'm afraid it'll dry out. So next time, this is a lesson to me. Next time, I will be doing the breadcrumbs because this ain't crunchy. I can tell, and it's not crunchy. So let me plate this and get it together. Okay, you guys, so here we go. And I must say it's very tasty. And next time I just want it crispy, so we will be doing the breading next time. So let me know if you try this. And I'm gonna go ahead and close now. I love you from your toes to your soul, and until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye guys.